Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use the Tally Edit Log. This powerful feature helps you track every change made to your financial data, ensuring transparency and accountability. We will cover its purpose, how to enable it, and how to view the detailed log entries. Understanding this tool is crucial for maintaining accurate records and simplifying your audit processes. Let's dive in and see how it can benefit your organization. To activate the Tally Edit Log, first navigate to the Company Features menu. Press the F11 key, then select Accounting Features. Here, you will find the option to enable Edit Log. Simply set this to Yes and save your changes. Once enabled, Tally will automatically begin recording all modifications to your vouchers and masters, providing a comprehensive history of every alteration. It's a straightforward process to set up. Viewing the edit log for any specific entry is quite simple. While displaying a voucher or master, you can press the Alt+E key combination or click on the dedicated Edit Log button. This action will open a detailed history, showing you precisely who made the change, what data was altered, and the exact date and time of the modification. This transparency is invaluable for tracking data integrity. The Tally Edit Log offers significant advantages, primarily enhancing data security and preventing unauthorized changes. It provides an undeniable audit trail, making compliance and internal reviews much easier. By regularly reviewing the log, you can ensure the accuracy and reliability of your financial records. This feature is a cornerstone for robust accounting practices, giving you peace of mind regarding your data's integrity and history.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.